I'm Dr. Anndrea Hatcher from Olive Branch Parke Veterinary Clinic, and I'm going to talk about anoles. Anoles are inexpensive lizards to purchase, but the equipment needed to care for them is not, so you want to research this before buying. For the adult length, anoles, which are lizards, is 3 to 8 inches long. The night anole is 13 to 20 inches long. For the green and brown anoles, juveniles of both genders and adult females have a pale stripe running down their backs from neck to tail, and males have a dewlap. Their enclosure temperature range should be 75 degrees on the cool side and 80 degrees Fahrenheit on the warm side, with 85 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit at the basking site. And at night, the temperature range should be 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity should be 60 to 70%. Anoles are active during the day. They have some limited color changing ability. They also have pads on their feet that allow them to climb on aquarium walls. They don't like to be handled. It stresses them and they'll hide. Their lifespan is 4 to 8 years. You should house male anoles individually or house a male with 2 or more females. A single anole can be kept in a 20-gallon aquarium. More anoles need larger aquariums. You should have a screened lid because UVB light doesn't pass through glass. A good substrate is sterile peat moss potting soil over 1 inch of pea gravel. Plant live plants such as bromeliads, philodendrons, and ivies. Anoles might not drink from a water bowl, so you should mix the plants twice a day or purchase or make a drip system so the anole can lap the water up from the leaves, from the drops on the leaves. So the equipment that you'll need if you're going to have an anole is an aquarium with a screened lid, plants, substrate, a plant mister, a UVB light that you replace every 6 months, an appliance timer so you can set the light on a timer, 2 to 3 temperature gauges, a humidity gauge, reptile calcium and vitamin D supplement, a reptile multivitamin supplement. Anoles are carnivores, so you can feed them crickets, mealworms, and waxworms. They should all be dusted with calcium powder and multivitamin powder twice a week. Don't feed wild-caught insects because they may have parasites or they may have been exposed to pesticides. And don't feed fireflies because they're toxic. Don't feed insects larger than 1/2 the size of the anole's head. Juvenile anoles can be fed daily, and the adults can be fed every other day. Shedding will occur every few weeks to every few months. All reptiles may carry salmonella, which can cause disease in humans. The very young and very old humans are most at risk. So always wash your hands after handling reptiles. New anoles should be examined by a veterinarian and have an intestinal parasite exam done to check for parasites. Then they should have yearly physical exams and intestinal parasite exams done after that.